Today, I'm showing you the latest modern homes in Colorado Springs, Colorado on the east side of town. Let's take a look. This floor plan is called a tri-level. So you literally have the basement, which we'll take a peek in just a minute, but I gotta show you upstairs first. Come on. I'm obsessed with this area. So you have a huge island with plenty of chairs to sit in, and you still have formal dining over here if you're all about that. Gas stove, brand new appliances, high ceilings, and you have 2 balconies. So first one is right off of your dining. Your living room, high ceilings, windows, and then you have a powder room right off of the kitchen with a storage closet. Okay, next, I'm gonna take you upstairs. Actually, first, notice these floors. Look how amazing they are. The wide plank, the beautiful color, and you can pick which color you want in the home. Laundry room. Okay, and then the lower level, we have the garage out back and then a 3rd bedroom. The best features of this house are the 10-foot ceilings, 2 balconies, and the kitchen overseeing the formal dining as well as the living room. Okay, so we're headed over to a vacant house right now that's currently on the market. So now we're in another home, a non-staged home, and this is the exact same layout, just a little key differences like the countertops, the cabinets are different colors, different colored walls, and actually I just noticed this one does not have a back deck. It only has the front deck. All right, let's go check out upstairs. Now, just a quick side note, I am not affiliated with these builders at all. This is Classic Homes builders that did these modern homes, but I'm just an agent wanting to show you guys exactly what's on the market and what you can get for a modern home under $600,000. Okay, so this one does not have a loft. Interesting. So this layout is actually way different. We have 3 bedrooms up here. So you have 2 basic bedrooms and then a standalone bathroom. It's a full bath. And these are decent sized bedrooms, but your basic bedroom with a closet. These are above the garage. Okay, let's check out the master bedroom. So pretty decent size. This looks the exact same size as the model home that we were just in. But the bathroom layout is different. We have a smaller shower and not as big main bathroom as the other one, and a little bit smaller closet too. Model homes are always going to have the biggest and best upgrades that you can do with a builder because they want to show you the best and give you the vision. So all of these current homes on the market are different in what they provide based on what the builders put in. They could have had prior clients choose these specific dimensions, and sometimes people have to back out of the contract. Kind of depends. Okay, one of the negatives or benefits, depending on your preference, is the houses are so close together, which means no yard maintenance. Now, if you're wanting a backyard or a big space for your kids to play, probably not the right thing for you. But if you're wanting low maintenance, this is perfect. There is an HOA in this community for $100 a month, and what that includes is trash removal and snow removal. All right, let's see what the basement has to offer, especially because the layout has been different than I thought it would be. I like the natural light that comes through here, even in the stairs. Okay, so this door goes out to the garage. Let me show you. Let's actually take a peek. Okay, your basic 2-car garage. Just kind of nice under the house on these tri-level houses. This is just storage closet. You good there? Almost fell. And then this bedroom. So this house is a 4-bedroom. The model home is actually just a 3-bedroom. So this is a 4-bedroom house. And then this bathroom is the exact same as the model home. This current house we're in, 4-bedroom and 4-bath. Just remember that top level, the 2 bedrooms share that 1 bathroom. You have the master bath, the powder bath on the main floor, and then the bathroom off of this bedroom in the basement. My goal is to help people buy homes that they feel confident purchasing and to make the process as easy and smooth as possible. So if you're looking to buy, contact me and I'd love to help you out.